Hello friends, I am Manisha. I welcome you all to our channel Study Faster 24/7. Friends, today we will talk about a short essay which is on the topic of corruption in India. This is a very important topic for SSC MTS Style 2 exam and SSC CHSL exam. One thing I want to tell you all, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it because we will upload essays continuously in our channel. Those will be very beneficial for you in upcoming SSC MTS Style 2 exam. Now friends, let's start the essay. We will start from the introduction, and the introduction is: corruption in one form or another is a worldwide phenomenon. Everyone admits that corruption is something immoral and detestable. Unfortunately, in our country, corruption has become a part of life, but it has entered the very roots of the Indian society. Now we will come to the main part of the essay. The first paragraph of the main part. Corruption has been defined variously by scholars, but the simple meaning of it is that corruption implies perversion of morality, integrity, character, or duty. Corruption is the misuse of authority, public position, natural or public resources, power, etc. by someone to gain his or her personal gratifications. Now we will come the second paragraph. Corruption is increasing in India day by day, but there is a strong connection between the officials, politicians, and criminals who are making this country weak. India got independence in 1947 and it was slowly becoming strong and developing. But in the midway, the disease of corruption started and stopped India to grow ahead. Now we will discuss about the third paragraph of the essay. Corruption is everywhere and in every department, whether it politics, hospitals, education, job, government offices. Nothing is left of corruption. Everything has become a business and the source of earning money in wrong way. And now friends, we will discuss about the conclusion of the essay. Evils, it is said, percolate in any society from the top. The topmost people in the country, most present model examples of conduct, honesty and behavior. One must not be only honest, but one must also be above doubt. We, the common man, also have some responsibilities towards our nation. If we stop giving bribe, the corrupts have no option but to do their job honestly. Then we shall be able to root out the evils of corruption from the entire society. Friends, this was the complete essay on corruption in India. If you like this essay, please like and share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel.